Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four-star Sudoku in the additional of the weekend edition. Weekend edition Saturday, Sunday, and actually it's today Sunday, July the 27th to July the 28th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle. The three-star Sudoku. Three puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and you are interested in this one. Four-star Sudoku number 8980. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I know this one it has 24. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4. Yes, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-star puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4-star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 4 twos. All right. We have here 3 threes, 2 fours, 3 fours. Correction. 1 5. 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 2 eights, and 2 nines. So the twos are a majority. Can I start with a 2? That's the question. No, I cannot start with a 2. No, 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 no. I need. Yeah, we have a 1, 2. I need to wait. How about the number? Need a 4 here. Come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. 3 in this column, 3. Oh, we have a pair, the 1 and the 3 in this column, the 1 and the 3 in that column. So the column with 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. Need a 7 here. I need an 8 here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left for 4. It should be there. Need 8 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in this box. Here an 8 in this column, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 and 5. Cannot fill this yet, 9 and 5. Then, let me see. 8, need 8 there. 8. Need 7 here. Need a 9 there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 4, need a 6. 7 and a 3, and a 4. No, 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 no. 7. 7. This one is a hard one. It's a hard one. Need a 1 here, need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Yeah. 6, 6, 8. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in the last row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we need a 6 here. Need 7 here. Yeah. 7. 2. This one is not easy. 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in the last row, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. We have a 6 in this row. So no 6 there. 6 should be there. Need 6 here. Need 6 there. Need 6 here. Well, 1, 6, 3. Need a 9. We need a 9 in this big square. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here. Could be there. No 9. 9, 9, 9. No 9. No 9. Need a 9 there. Yeah. But the 5 then. Only 1 5 here. 9. Need a 2. 3. Need a 4. 4, 4, 4. Need a 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. Need a 6. Need a 7. Need a 8. Well, 8 could be here. And the 2 here also. 2, 2. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2. 9, 5, and 4. I need a 4. 5 and a 4. Well, this box should be 4 or a 5. Yeah. We have 9, 4, and a 5. Well, we have a 9 in this big square. So 6 should be, yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be there, overlooked, 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be there, 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be there, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there, 6 should be there, and all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. 9, 5, and the 1. We need a 1 in this row. Well, here can be 1, we have 1 in the third column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this big square, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 9 and the 5 are left here. 9, 5, and the need a 7 here. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there, so the 7 could be here, could be there. Okay. I need the other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 7. Need a 7 here. 9, 5, and the 2. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, and look, we have 2 and a 9 here, so 1 box left for the 5. I've marked this box with 5 and a 9. We have a 5 here, so this box should be a 9. 5 or a 9. We have a 9 here, so this box should be a 5. And 1 box left in this column. This can be a 9. We have a 9 here. This should be a 2 then. And I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. Alright. 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 5 then. 1 box left in this column for number 4 then. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Well, 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column 3, no, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Need a 2 here or there. And I need a 2 here or there. Okay. 4. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left with 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 1 here. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so last column. Only 2 places left. The 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Yeah, need to wait. 1, 1, 1, 1. Need 1 here. Need 1 here. Need 1 here. Alright, and now I'm think 4 here. No 4, need 4 here. 4 there. Need 4 here. 4, 8, and 5. Need 5 here. 5. 5, need 5 here. 5. 5, need 5 here. Need a 5 there. We have a pair. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. Okay. What are those 2 numbers? Yeah. The 1, I believe the 1. Yeah. No. 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 in the second row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 5 in the first row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. Oh. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. Wow. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so the first column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first, in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5, 5, 5. Come on, 5, need a 5 there. Okay, 1, 1. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, on the last column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 1. 2 numbers left now in this third row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. 9 in this third column. No 9 there. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this middle row for numbers 1. 2 is missing and a 3 is missing. 2 and a 3. 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so we have a 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the second column, so the first column. The only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, so the 2 goes together with the 9 as a pair. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 3, 7 8 3 7 8 3 7 8 3 7 8. Well, we have an 8 in the last row, so no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. So the 3 and the 7 are left. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. 7 and 8, we have an 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes in there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. No, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 to 2. 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 3 and 4. Let me mark those. Here also 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 to 2. 3 is missing, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1 to 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Well, cannot fill this yet. Surprising. I need a 9 here. 4, 5, and I need an 8 here. In this big square. Yeah, 8 in this last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only place left 8 should be there. 2 and a 9, we already have a 2 here in this row, so no 2 there, overlooked. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left 9 should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 or 5, we have a 5 in the last row, so this box should be a 4, and the final number in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, finishing 17 minutes. Well, we solve it again, 4 stars, no, 3 stars, no, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 20 minutes, not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one, yes I really do. To fix so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.